80 animals.
Butterfly.
Hello, everyone. It's good to see you. Are you having a good time with 80 animals? Awesome! You sure are learning a lot. Today, we will study a kind of insect, the butterfly. Look at the picture. This is a butterfly. It has beautiful wings. Now, let's learn some words using pictures.
Caterpillar. This is a caterpillar. It looks like a worm. When it grows, it becomes a butterfly. Cover. If you cover something, you put something over it, so you can protect it or hide it. In the picture, someone covers the baby with a blanket. Chrysalis. Look at the arrow. It shows the stage of the butterfly before it becomes an adult. When a butterfly is in that stage, it is a chrysalis.
Listen and choose the right picture for the word. Cover. Caterpillar. Chrysalis.
It's time to read a story. When you finish, you will take a quiz.
Look at the caterpillar. It came out of a butterfly egg. It grows by eating leaves. After the caterpillar grows, it sticks to a branch. It casts off its skin and becomes a pupa. The pupa covers itself with a chrysalis. It spends many days in the chrysalis and grows wings. At last, the pupa breaks out of the chrysalis. It becomes a butterfly. But it can't fly for a while. It dries its wings first. It flies to flowers and eats nectar. When it leaves the flower, it carries the flower's pollen. New flowers grow in other places thanks to the butterfly. Choose the right order. Egg, chrysalis, caterpillar, butterfly. Egg, caterpillar, chrysalis, butterfly. What does the caterpillar eat? Branches. leaves. What does the butterfly eat? Nectar. Pollen.
Did you enjoy this lesson? Great! I did too. That's all for today. Goodbye.